It's enormous. There's so much diversity, so many opportunities. It's not just about hands in the dirt. There's technology, programming, everything. So it's a really great opportunity that a lot of people just don't see. They just think, food and fibre and that's it. There's more to it.
These days, I'm thinking of technology. So it's not just hands in the soil, but you've really got to be IT savvy and be able to manipulate computers to betterment your production.
There needs to be more awareness about what sort of high-level careers there are in agriculture. I'll be talking to all of my students about the different careers in this industry.
I was actually thinking about the fact that only 20% of agriculture is actually on the farm, and around 80% of it is actually everywhere else. And that's, to be honest, that's been the biggest learning for me, is I hadn't really thought about the concept of agriculture being more than just on the farm.
As an agriculture teacher, pretty keen to know current employment and any new careers. I love encouraging the students and helping them see the hope that there is for the future of agriculture. And we live in an amazing country, so just want them to be able to experience that and hopefully be a part of agriculture in the future.
Yeah, I think they think about, like, if you like animals, you might work on a farm, or you might be a vet, but not thinking about the actual supply chain and all those kinds of areas that go into doing different kinds of jobs. But you don't necessarily have to be caring for the animals specifically, but you still could be caring for animals in some way or another.
I'm hoping to discover that more jobs that are out there in the agricultural market. So anything that's innovative, things that students can get excited about and take that back to the school.
I've been talking to the kids a lot about all the different research that goes into actually making a crop that is going to be successful and farming for the future.
Robotics.
Robotics, drones, working out different innovative ways that we can do that to be able to look after the planet and feed people in the future.
And I think for me as well, it's anything about agriculture, it's not just at the farm. You have the pickers, the packers, you have the machinery operators, you have the vets, you have king of animals, your welfare officers. So I guess I was probably had a bit of a narrow mind as well. So it's opened up a huge spectrum of different avenues that students could possibly pursue.
There's just so many opportunities in ag. It's just nobody is excluded from it.